Hey Ron. Okay, so a little bit of a bleak one tonight, but I promise you there is lots of joy to come because there is, excuse me, there is the best of videos which are coming. So, best of foundations and concealers and all the glorious makeup stuff for 2024. So those videos are coming soon. I also just found a lost treasure trove of videos. I have no idea if I posted because I changed the titles. So yeah, but I wanted to do this video because it is a subject matter that I think a lot of people experience at one time or another. Just to bear in mind that this video will be speaking about people with memory loss. And I just want to give you a heads up on that because it can be a touchy subject for some people. But just before we get on to that, I am not depressed, but I am sad. Not every day, but a lot of the time I feel a bit sad. And you'll kind of understand why as we go along. I think today is a good example, just of, when things kind of come at the wrong time. I was texting a friend this morning and it was a long text. It was basically blaming myself for just being, not very good. And I sent the text and it had such good intentions behind it. And the text was not taken that way at all. And those things can happen sometimes, particularly when it's in text format and not verbally. And verbally, you've got eye movements and smiling and gestures. I'm so sorry, I've got a frog in my throat. And it was taken the wrong way. And it was just like a slow motion. I was watching it play out. And I was rereading what I had said and saying, no, I know I'm to blame. And it was just spiraling out of control. And this is a very good human being that I was texting with, a really good human being. And it was so sad to watch my words not translate how they were meant to translate. And after it had happened, I just remember sat there and I was in a meeting at the same time, an online one. So I was trying to do these two things at the same time. And I just remember this sense of just, I don't know how to explain it, just this bewilderment over it, I suppose. Just, it was so sad. When you run your own business, off topic, but on topic, when you run your own business, it is an incredibly stressful experience. Rewarding, yes, but incredibly stressful. The past couple of years, not just with work, but it's been a very, very stressful time. I felt a lot of stress. About 5 years ago, maybe just under, I started to notice that a family member wasn't right. There was something just off about their memory. And we ended up having a diagnosis of vascular dementia with Alzheimer's. And if you have ever cared for or experienced this with a loved one, you'll know that it is a incredibly challenging situation, and one that is, I don't know how to explain it. It's like everything changes about the person, but everything stays the same, if that makes sense. I would say 50% of the time now, the things that are said are gibberish, and the other 50%, they're coherent, but they don't always make sense. And things are very confused for obvious reasons. Tonight is a good example of that. When I arrived, it was clear that they were incredibly distressed and frightened and unhappy and scared. And this is to be expected with memory issues. It's to be expected. But you do the best you can do. You talk as best you can, and you are a part of their world. You're not trying to make them part of yours. You are part of their world, if that makes sense. So if they say it's Saturday and it's actually Tuesday, you go along with it. You are a part of their environment and not the other way around. And so we brought them home with us because, that's what you do. And it's so sad to witness it and to feel it. It's a visceral feeling because you're watching somebody fade away in front of you in such a sad way. And in the car tonight, as I strapped her in, she said to me, you know, I miss my husband. And her husband passed away about 5 years ago. And she said, I really would like to hear his voice again. Now we have a video of him and speaking. So I said, when we get home, I will play this video and you can see him and you can hear him. And we did. And there was just nothing. Just didn't know, didn't recognize, didn't see, didn't know who that was on the screen. And it's just such a sad thing. And the bit that I feel really bad about with myself is that it robs you of your own joy. Memory issues, they rob you of your own joy, because every single night I go there, we go there every single night, and you come away feeling so low, and that feeling stays with you throughout the night, and then you wake up in the morning and then you repeat your day, because it just chases away joy, because you're watching somebody you love hurt or be confused or speak with words that aren't words. It's just such a strange thing. It's been such a difficult year, this year in particular, but it's been a struggle. But it'd be interesting, nice, not nice, and not interesting. It will be cathartic for those of you who are going through this or have been through this, to share your experiences, because it is an experience and a depressing one, but it's an important one as well. So let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching. Sorry it was a bit bleak. There is lots of fun to come. I am in the process currently of filming the videos, I guess, that I used to film before I felt sad, which is the how-to ones and the, you know, all those kind of things. So I'm filming those at the moment for next year. So I hope you watch, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.